A few months ago, we designed a fully adjustable 3D printed prosthetic leg meant to accommodate any size. After getting some feedback, we're excited to immediately introduce version 2. Let's get into it. In order to significantly increase the strength, we swapped out our plastic core with this massive steel screw, which, as you could probably guess, made a huge difference in strength. Piggybacking off of that momentum, our aesthetically redesigned shin is now printed from a carbon fiber nylon blend. Next, let's move up the leg to the socket of the prosthesis. Using TPU, diamond-slotted flaps laced with a specialized cable and micro-adjustment dial system, you can easily and evenly fit and form the connection to any size or shape with a comfortable and secure attachment. And finally, let's move all the way down to our revamped dynamically responsive feet. We always knew that by using different shore values of TPU and by adjusting the infill, we're able to fine-tune and customize the foot and ankle's responsiveness to the weight and gait of the wearer's walk. With this new sporty design, we made sure you can easily swap them out with a different size or density anytime. The entire thing is completely open source. For more information, follow us here on YouTube, visit our website, and also find us on Thingiverse.